This is the brief on updating and configuring GMetrix 7.1.7. We're walking through a step-by-step technical guide to get your GMetrix training software and Adobe plugins running totally glitch-free. Because let's face it, upgrading often leaves behind a messy trail of old files that demand a really specific, clean installation process. First, you've got to create a clean slate by opening up self-service to run uninstall GMetrix, followed right away by install GMetrix 7.1.7 with all plugins and apply folder permissions. Think of it kind of like clearing out old furniture before moving in the new stuff. You absolutely have to completely trash the old version so those new folder permissions can properly take hold. Second, don't just stop at the install. Open up the GMetrix application itself, head to Settings, click Plugins, and manually select them to reinstall. Now you might be wondering, wait, why do we have to install plugins twice? Well, doing it manually inside the app ensures the GMetrix environment perfectly syncs up with your active creative tools. Finally, there is a super important exception for Adobe Photoshop. You need to go to your Applications folder, right-click Photoshop, hit Get Info, and check the box for Open using Rosetta. And yeah, you got to do this for each and every user profile. You can check the GMetrix support site for a full Adobe Creative Cloud compatibility chart. But listen, skipping the specific Rosetta step is literally the #1 reason Photoshop integrations fail on newer machines. So start fresh through self-service, activate your plugins inside the app, and check that Rosetta box for Photoshop to keep your creative training totally uninterrupted.